for step 29, we're going to work on the wheels, and I always find this is one of the fun parts. So here we have our wheels, which will I'll get them all cut off the tree, and then here we have our tires ready to go on the tire rack, so we can start installing those. So I'll set this up and let's put it on. Alright, so let's get these wheels out of here. I think we'll put the front ones on first. So let's get our clippers and do the other one. And let's grab a tire. Now, with the front tires, what I've noticed is, I know that it says Tamiya on the outside. I guess it's there on both. There's only one little word. I probably will white letter it like I like to do, because I noticed on the rear tires you can actually see the Tamiya Super Gripper, which I will be doing the white lettering on. It's funny that the fronts only have this small Tamiya sign, because it's kind of weird that they're not a match, but that's okay. We'll do it how it is. Doesn't matter. Anyways, let's get one of these tires on, and it's a lot more pliable than, say, working with a Tamiya Frog or something. Hornet tires, they always have given me trouble, but this won't. They're not three-piece wheels, so it's a lot easier to do. So squeeze this through, squeeze it through, squeeze it through, and to the side. There we go. So there we go. There is one of the front tires ready to go. And like I mentioned in an earlier step, those tires are so much wider, because here's a Hornet and Frog tire. Look at the width difference. It's quite considerable. So the car itself should actually have better turning, simply because there's more rubber on the road. And these are rounded on the edges. This is a square tire, just like a regular road tire on a car. It's interesting design. So let's get the other one on. And I just work my way around, pulling on the rubber all the way around. And once I've got it more or less right at the front here, seems to be, there we go. I'll work on the back, and we're just basically pushing this back in to the back side of the wheel. And there we go. So there's our other front wheel. So the front ones are done. So now we can move on to the rear. Same thing, we're going to get these cut off of the little part tree thing there. And now it's time for our Super Gripper tires. The rubber might be a little harder with this one, but let's just see what we can do here. Whoop. Seems like a little harder compound. And that goes on there. We've got one mostly through. There we go. Starting to work. In fact, we're going to start putting the back side on first, I think, with this one. It seems like that will be easier to do, because then on the front you can just pull it. There we go. You can hear it popping over.